welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is a endo inspired video. As most of you are aware, I do suffer from a stage 4 endometriosis, and March is Endometriosis Awareness Month. So I'm planning to have an endo inspired video every week for the month of March. So for week 1, I'm going to be showing you how I did this makeup look, and whilst I show you how I did this, I'm going to be talking a little bit about endometriosis. So if you're interested in seeing how I did this look and hearing about endo, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button, change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. All right, let's jump in. What is endometriosis? So endometriosis is a condition where tissue that is similar to the lining of the uterus is found outside the uterus, which is where it doesn't belong. This causes bleeding, swelling, inflammation, severe pain, just to name a few of these side effects. Over time, it causes scar tissue and adhesions, or for a more common term, it causes our organs to stick to each other. On average, 1 in 10 women have endometriosis, which equals approximately 176 million women worldwide. While most endometriosis sufferers have severe pain, it is completely possible to have endometriosis and not have pain at all. The only way that is 100% accurate in diagnosis is via laparoscopic surgery. All other forms or methods are not 100% accurate. At this stage, there is no known cure for endometriosis. There is no best treatment, as all treatments work differently for each individual. Endometriosis is one of the most common gynecological diseases. endometriosis persists into menopause. Having children is not a cure, but in some women it has been found to reduce symptoms. A hysterectomy is not a cure for endometriosis. So this is the finished look. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button down below if you did, because it really helps me out. And if you want to see any of my other endo inspired videos for the month of March, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!